Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are finding the quotient of two functions evaluated at a fraction. We are given f of x equals x squared minus 6, and g of x equals negative 7x plus 5. We need to find f divided by g of 5/7 if it exists. Key concept: dividing functions. When dividing functions, we follow three steps. Step 1. Evaluate f at the given input. Step 2. Evaluate g at the given input. Step 3. Check that g is not 0, then divide. This last step is critical. Division by 0 is undefined. If g of the input equals 0, the quotient does not exist. Step 1. Find f of 5/7. Our function is f of x equals x squared minus 6. Substitute x equals 5/7. f of 5/7 equals 5/7 squared minus 6. 5/7 squared equals 25 over 49. Now subtract 6. Write 6 as 294 over 49. 25 over 49 minus 294 over 49 equals negative 269 over 49. f of 5/7 equals negative 269 over 49. Step 2. Find g of 5/7. Our function is g of x equals negative 7x plus 5. Substitute x equals 5/7. g of 5/7 equals negative 7 times 5/7 plus 5. Negative 7 times 5/7, the 7's cancel, giving negative 5. Negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. g of 5/7 equals 0. Step 3. Check g is not 0, then divide. We need g of 5/7 to not equal 0. But g of 5/7 equals 0. We cannot divide by 0. Therefore, f divided by g of 5/7 does not exist. Recap. f of 5/7 equals negative 269 over 49. g of 5/7 equals 0. Because g of 5/7 equals 0, the denominator is 0. Division by 0 is undefined. f divided by g of 5/7 does not exist. Always check the denominator function before dividing. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.